Look, Daniel. This is you.
A baby?
Yes. You are 6 months old in this photo.
How old am I in this photo?
Guess.
1-year-old?
Nope.
2-year-old?
Nope.
3-year-old?
Yes. You're 3 years old in this photo.
How old am I now?
How old are you? Don't you know that yourself?
Come on, Mum. Am I 8 years old?
You might say that. Your birthday's in 2 days' time.
Hooray! I'm 8 years old. Hooray! I'm 8 years old.
I am 10 years old. That's my brother Daniel. He's a baby.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 years old. I'm 8 years old. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
With his father close behind.
Move over.
No, you move over.
You move over. You move over. You move over.
Sally! Daniel! Stop, please. There's enough room for the two of you. Come on, let's have some tea. Have some jelly.
I've got the most. I'll take that one.
No, I'll take that one.
Mom!
Sally, can you give your piece of cake to Daniel? He is your little brother.
Little? He's 8 years old. He is a big boy now.
Listen, Daniel, are you a big boy? Good. Then give some of your jelly to your sister. Now!
Why?
Give your sister some of your jelly first. I'll tell you why later.
1. Come on. 2. 3. 4. 5. Okay.
Do you want this piece of cake?
Yes.
Then ask your sister.
Can I have this piece of cake?
Please?
Can I have this piece of cake, please?
Yes. Here you are.
You see? 5 pieces of jelly, and you've got the bigger piece of cake.
Now, listen and repeat.
Can I have this piece of cake, please?
Let's answer together. Yes. Here you are.
Come to Daniel's birthday party. 2 o'clock Saturday, 10th of June.
So, who is coming to your birthday party?
My friends, Peter, Mark and Ada.
So, write it down.
Dear Mark, come to Daniel's birthday party. 2 o'clock Saturday, 10th of June. Daniel. Mom, I finished one.
Oh, well done, Daniel. Now you can do another one.
Mom, Dad, is back.
We are back. We're back. What are you doing?
My biscuits.
We have got to teach him to think more about others.
How? He won't listen to us. He doesn't listen to you. He doesn't listen to me.
Daniel!
Hello, Mark. Hello, Ada. Happy birthday, Daniel. Here's a present for you. Thank you.
Thank you. How nice of you. You're welcome.
I have a new ball. Look, Mum, I have a new ball.
How lovely.
Can I play with you? No. You can't play with my ball. But it's more fun if we play together. No, no, no. You can't play with my ball. I am a fireman. I am a doctor. I'm a policeman. I'm a cowboy. And I'm coming to get you. Run, run, run! Hey, what's going on? This is really fun. Ada, can I play with you? Why should we let you play with us? You didn't let us play with your ball.
They'll play with you if you say I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Mark. Oh, all right then. Can I play with you now? Yes, you can play with us. Let's make Daniel a policeman. I'm a policeman. Run, Daniel, run! Come get me. I'm coming.
Daniel, here's a present for you.
Thank you. What is it?
Open it. Have a look.
A game, great. Can I play with you? Yes. Hey, look who's winning. Hey, look who's winning. It's my turn now. Okay.
Do you want a friend to talk with, to play with, to sing with, to eat with, to laugh with, to cry with? A friend to care, a friend to share, and I am such a friend. Now, listen and repeat.
Here's a present for you. Thank you.
Daniel, here's a present for you.
Please say it together.
Thank you.
That's correct.
Your cake's here, Daniel.
Hey, Daniel, come on, mate.
A cake for me.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Daniel.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniel. Happy birthday to you. Blow out the candles, Daniel. Blow. Yay!
Let's cut the cake, Daniel.
Yeah, cut it with you. Do you like the picture? No? No? Okay. Okay.
Here you are, Mark. Oh, thank you. Here you are, Sally. Thank you.
My brother is 8 years old. He is a big boy now. How old are you? When is your birthday?